In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make GeForce Now less laggy. If your games feel delayed, stutter during movement, or suddenly lose quality, the good news is that there are a few simple settings and connection changes that can make a big difference. The goal here is to reduce ping, improve stability, and give GeForce Now a cleaner, more consistent connection to work with. The first and most effective fix is to use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. If possible, plug a LAN cable directly from your router into your computer or device. A wired connection is usually much more stable than wireless, and it often gives you lower ping as well. After plugging in the cable, turn off Wi-Fi so your device isn't switching between connections in the background. Once that's done, restart GeForce Now. This helps the app recognize the stronger connection properly. If you can use Ethernet, this is usually the best overall improvement because it reduces random lag spikes and keeps your connection more consistent. Next, make sure GeForce Now is using the closest server location. Open GeForce Now, go into Settings and find Server Location. From there, choose Auto or manually select the nearest region to where you live. This matters because the farther away the server is, the longer it takes for your inputs to travel back and forth. Choosing the nearest server can help reduce input delay and make gameplay feel more responsive. Another important step is to stop internet overload in your home network. If other devices are streaming videos, downloading large files, or using a lot of bandwidth while you're gaming, GeForce Now may struggle to keep a stable stream. Disconnect extra devices from the network when possible, especially the ones doing heavy internet activity. Even if your internet speed is decent, too many active devices can still introduce lag and stuttering. Finally, lower your stream quality settings if you're still having performance issues. In GeForce Now, go to Settings, then Streaming Quality. Set the resolution to 1080p or even 720p if needed. Keep FPS at 60 and set bitrate to auto or lower it manually. Lower settings reduce the amount of data your connection has to handle, which can cut down on delay, buffering, and visual stutter. If your internet isn't perfectly stable, this can make the experience much smoother. Try these changes one by one, and you should notice a more responsive and stable GeForce Now session.